the street of a crossroad. Yeah, you're the things I'd like to dream. But we were everything that we dreamed of.
Hello everyone, so I'm gonna do a little bit of voiceover just to explain to you some context of this shoot with Natalie. And I want to show some autofocus. A lot of you have asked me about the autofocus comparison between the X-T2 and X-T3, and I'm just adding the mix of the A7iii as well, since I'm renting the A7iii. So I'm comparing these three cameras. This this first portion, I will compare the one that without the IAF, and then gradually I'm showing some sample next to the camera. So the format of this video is I zoomed far away, and then I pan to the model, and then I zoom far away, and then I pan to the model, just to make it out of focus first, and then pan to the model, just to see how quickly the camera picked up the focus. So far so good. The hit rates are pretty high, so almost like 90% or more hit rate. Many of you asked about the hit rate between the X-T2 and X-T3. It's pretty high for here. There's a small miss there, but overall it's pretty good. So I will just end here as the context. So just to tell you how why it's the camera is like panning out and panning in. I just want to get the focus into the model and then out of focus, just to reset the focus, and then just to see how fast the camera goes. So enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Those days are over, and I'm down on my knees. Those days are over, and I feel what I feel. Those days are over, and I've done my best to keep the flame. I've been spinning my wheels. Those days are over. Those days are over. Those days are over.
Hey, has she stopped me just a second away from all the pain? You told me if I leave then no one gains, and it feels like you smashed me with a hammer. I'm ready to see we fell apart. I'm ready to believe you have a heart. And then you said, hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. I said, hey, you found me like in fiction, but I'm ready to see we're both a part of it. Could be the start of it, 'cause I know you're the missing piece of puzzle. You're the queen of my car, ha 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 ha. Still you're in my heart, ha 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 heart. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. back home again. Oh, I'm feeling a wind. There's a storm coming in to break it tonight. Oh, but I'm sure we will win. Just pushing it in. Oh, tonight. He said, hey, as he stopped me just a second away from all the pain. You told me if I leave, then no one gains. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. Hey,